I'm back again with some of those stupid things I'm doing. So, welcome to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira? And like you see, this is the big bag from CARBONADO. So this is the GT3 backpack that most of the YouTubers use. So do I. This just happened very randomly. I was just sitting browsing and I found this bag, so I took it. So they give you in this pretty big bag as well. So this is the bag, and I've got it in camo, which resembles a bit of army, which is very close to my heart as well. And with that, we will start with front. So towards my right, this is another one zip that basically is stored to put in your hot water or cold water, whatever you feel you can put in the bottle here. You also have a very small compartment that you can use, which is a very small pouch. If you want to, you can use that as well. And that's the first step. And then I'm gonna close this, and then on top of it you have a sunglass holder. Not necessary, but it's fancy. You can also access it from inside as well. I'll show you that in a minute. So this is the sunglass holder that you have, and then I'm going to twist it towards the right of the compartment. This is where you can actually plug in your USB charging port, whatever you want. You can plug in your ports directly to connect your devices as well, and it does work. Wherein of course it doesn't come with electronic things as well. You have to put your power bank over here, then it automatically connects, and then it does the job. So this is another handy thing that you have. And at the rear you have a perforated back, so that your back is very breathable in space, and then you also have some adjustments to make it, and it looks pretty big, but it's very lightweight. And while I say about that, the price is about 5,890. This is the GT3 variant. You also had the previous one, which was GT2. The biggest difference for that is GT2 had one flaw because the perforation was not that great. They fixed it, but on the flip side, they've removed two zips which was there as well. One, I think somewhere over here on the right hand side there was one zip, and also while you open the GT2 as well, in that you had a very nice cushion microfiber here. Now they've replaced it with a cheaper thing, kept it the price. Very smart way of doing it, and that's the only significant difference between GT2 as well. So like I said, just looking at this thing, this is actually the bottle holder that covers up, like I told you on the other side. You can store some luggages. You have pouch 1, pouch 2, pouch 3. You can put your laptop here. You can also put your laptop here, of course, wherever you want to. For reference, I have my MacBook Pro that I use. So I'm going to put this over here. It's not going to fit, so I have to use the other side. It's also very small in size as well, so I can put it and it just goes like so easily. So that's the best part, and I'm going to keep it aside for reference. And then coming back, and like I said, there's a sunglass holder access which you can open it from here as well. It's a velcro material, not a zip one. It's too jerky, man, too difficult to move, and you can't remove sunglass from here. It's such a pain. Anyway, so these are the two things that are there. With that, there's the wires that goes where you can plug in your power bank over here. You can see it very closely. It fits in over here. Power bank, you can put it across, and then you can do the connections, and then you can charge from outside. And flipping it aside, let me show you what comes on the other side as well. And you have two connections to connect your whatever you have here. Close it over here. So coming back, so this is the laptop sleeve. You can also put an iPad, or in fact one more laptop here. So there's one netted pouch over here, and then there's a zipper where you can store some important things, and then again there's two pouch. So on a whole, product looks okay. And like I said, from GT2, this has been replaced with a very normal texture. Earlier you had a very proper microfiber, sort of really soft material as well. So that's a mess. Good way of cost cutting as well. That's how most of the business work. It's all right. And this is the entire backpack. It's quite compact in size. It's not that heavy as well. And I got this from Adishwar Riders Arena, so have a very good rapport with them. I just called them and I said I need this. They sent it to me in like 30 minutes, so I had it in my residence. So that's about the GT3 CARBONADO bag. And I wish there was GT2 itself. I wanted that because there was one pouch which addition is always helpful as well. You can use it as your riding bag. I'm planning to do a big tour coming later in next 1 or 2 weeks. So you will see me riding with this, and I'm going to tour on my 6R. It's been my biggest thing. I'm going to test out this. I'm going to test out my helmet. Sena, every single thing I'm going to share you with experience. Now, until then, stay tuned. Be waiting where I'm going to do proper touring as well. Take care. Thanks for watching this vlog. And of course, like I always, product link in the description. I will see you another vlog on the content and the travel story. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. Bye.